What's up, everyone? Now, this video is just to show you all how I lube my chain without having to roll it. And this is specifically for a dirt bike, which you will see shortly why it is so. And I'm going to clean my rims as well because it's got a lot of crap on it. Alright, let's get started. Okay. First of all, you need one of these things. Yes, you need one of these things. I think it's called a jack. Floor jack. Here we go. Floor jack. You gotta have your kickstand down. Duh. Alright. So you gotta tighten this fella here. Put this fella into this fella. Alright. Okay. Now, there's two ways of doing this. Well, there's two ways to get the back wheel up or the front wheel. We'll start with the back wheel first. Okay, now I don't know, I'm gonna tilt my head. Okay, so that's the bottom of it. You want to place to get the rear wheel up, you want to place it closer to the back, so maybe on one of these bolts there, and then for the front, further forward to get the front up, which is a little bit more dodgy, which we will see in a second. Anyway, so yeah, put this thing on that thing and lift the thing up. Alright, here we go. And easy does it. And that's it. So if it's in neutral, it should spin. Ta-da! Alright, so I have here some universal chain clean. Now I'm not gonna say like I support this brand or that brand, but it just so happens that I have these two. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can use anything as long as it's the right ring compatible. And yeah, just make sure you shake. Let's hold down here, just so the shit won't go everywhere. Now the proper way to clean your chain is to obviously take it off and soak it in diesel. Yes, diesel, but I'm a bit lazy, so we're gonna do it this way. Right, here we go. Now this is the clean, and you can see it's starting to show that color already. Spin it a couple times more. Now, some people do it with the engine on. Now, I've done it before, and it's fine for me, but for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to do it without, because this is the safer way, obviously. You don't need to keep spinning it like this. Alright, just put a little bit more. Leaking in the front. That's where I knew it. Spin. Now it says for this particular one, it says spray on chain and let dry for 5 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Actually, while we're waiting, we can clean the rims too. To clean the rim, mineral wood tarps and a dirty towel. Alright, so fold this bad boy. Soak and spin. So yeah, you guys get the idea. I don't need to show you how to do all four sides. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's black as shit. Alright, so that's how we clean the rim. No feet. Oh, it's on that side. Now for the lube, there is, I know for this brand again, there is a chain lube for the dirt, I guess that's, I don't know, I guess it's to keep more crap off. But because I hardly do any off-road stuff, this will suffice. Once again, I'm not promoting Motul. I'm not saying they're the best. I'm just what I have. And yeah. Or what I do recommend is to get a chain lube that doesn't spray on white. Now I had one before, and it sprayed on white. And when I went for a ride afterwards, the next day it would just go everywhere, and that was crap. Okay, so now the O-rings, or the rings, are in between these things, these fellas here. So you want to spray in between those, not on the rollers, because that's pointless. That's what I used to do. But yeah, and here we go. Shake, 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 shake. And be generous. I mean, it is after all what's keeping you from moving. It's the thing that makes you move. Cool. Be it. Not too much, not too little, just the right amount. Cool. Alright, so now for the front, you want to aim for the front side. Let's see if I can get my helmet. Yeah, so you want to aim for about here on that bolt. I've got that bolt in the front. That's where you want to hit it. There you go. Okay, so you want to hit that bolt closer to the front. There we go. Come. And one more. There. See? Ta-da! Easy as that. Sweet. So, start. This really is only for dirt bikes, or dual-purpose bikes, because they don't have plastics at the bottom. Whereas for a sport bike, you probably need the rear swing arm spools and the little whatchamacallit to lift it. I have made a wooden one before. Saved me, what, $100? Just as good, probably not as stable, but I don't intend of keeping the bike up on its on the wooden stand that I built. But it was good for moving the chain and stuff.